I'm Barbie Hitty from Wisco-Lift, and I'm here to discuss the different types of J-hooks that we manufacture and the different styles and how to read the information on the hook. I have a wide variety of samples of different hooks. There are different diameters, the diameter meaning the diameter of the steel, which can come in 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 5/8, 7/8, and 1 inch. So this is a style A and this is a style B. You can see how this is in line with the eye, and this has a slight hook to the, or eye to the left-hand side. And this is a style C. You can see that the eye is in line with the hook. There's also 3 different types of bowls. There is the J, there is the L, see how it goes like that, and the W. So this would be an A hook with a W. This would be a B with a J. And this is a C style with an L bowl. All J-hooks are fabricated with alloy steel and have the eyes welded unless otherwise specified. They are heat treated and stamped with a working load limit and serialized. If you would like more information, please call our J-Hook shop at 1-800-543-8464 or visit us online at whitelawrigging.com. Thank you.